What's up, you guys? It's Sienna, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. I know it's been a while, but Black Friday just happened and I did a little overview of everything in my vlog that will be posted on Monday on my vlog channel. But today we are going to first unbox the Meow Factor, the beautiful Razer Kraken RGB kitty series. This one is super exciting. This one comes with the cat ears built into it. They are RGB light connected. You can sync it to all of your other Razer products, and you can sync it to, say, Streamlabs, so that you can sync, like, a follow happens, you can flash yellow or something, whatever color you want, and you can have it react to your stream and everything. So that's super awesome. Yeah, so these are the Razer Kraken Kitty Edition Razer Chroma USB gaming headset for PC, and yeah, let's get into this. Where's my knife? I've got it. Okay. Gosh, I feel like there's something in my eye. That's no good. So let's get right into it. Actually, there's a little flap for me to pull to take this tape off. So I won't be stabbing anything yet. Maybe they won't let me use my knife on this one. That would be upsetting. How cruel and unusual of a punishment. Is this taped? This... Oh, no, it pops right up. This side, this side. Oh, there we go. So, wow, the plastic is solid. Only thing is that whenever they shipped it to me, this box has scuffs all over it. Not that that means anything, but it's like, wow, my box is all, like, it's not even, it wasn't shipped in this box, gosh. But let's pull this baby out. Wow. This is beautiful, absolutely stunning. Let me just double check. There's just some papers in here. Taking your style to the next level. It's just cool paper in there. So set her down. Now, first thoughts are, this is a USB thing, so headset. So I need to get a USB to headphone jack, so I can plug it in through my Yeti Blue mic, yeah, microphone. It was a microphone. I know what I'm talking about. So that's my first thought, but that's not an everybody thing. Also, I know currently all my USB slots are taken. Okay, so it looks like there's a little thing holding it down. Oh, wow. Okay. So let me just feed this through here. Wow. So in the case, it has holding it down these little rubbery black things, which are easy to lock on. Those are super cool. Very, I don't know, high end for packaging. Like, it's not like what's the word I'm looking for? Like zip ties. So that's cool. I'm hoping so bad that these are comfortable. So let's. First impressions, I need to adjust the thing. Does both sides adjust? Yes. Okay, so I want them to be, like, even. Let's see. My head's still very tiny, though. Oh, wow. Let's take a step back. Yeah, I could see myself wearing these for a while. Definitely cancels a lot of the noise out around me. So that's one thing. So that's wow. Also, if you hear something like a fan in the background, I do have my AC on. I just want to put that out as a disclaimer. It's hot. It's in Florida. I know it's December, but it's still hot. That's a thing. So these have cooling padding inside of them. So they're supposedly supposed to cool down your ears while, like, wearing them, kind of thing, which I could see as like they don't feel hot to the touch, which is nice. These look awesome. I don't even like, I don't know if this is a level of cringe or awesomeness, but I'm gonna go with awesomeness because I do love cats, and this is adorable. Oh my god. These are definitely very nice. They're very comfy. I'll do like an update after like wearing them consistently for like hours on end, because any headset you set on for a couple seconds would be comfortable, but they definitely fit my ears good. Now if you have a little bit larger of an ear than I do, it might be a little bit tight, so I'm thinking like guys with ears, well, obviously have ears, but like guys' ears are usually larger, so that's a little bit harder to like measure, but I would say it fits my ears fine. So there's that. There is a mic that comes out here which you can use to talk to people on. I'm gonna keep mine tucked in for the most part because I have a Yeti Blue mic that I like to use. But yeah, this is cool. I definitely, since it's USB, need to get a USB to microphone adapter, but that's not like hard to get. That's just me. I could easily plug this into my computer or anything and be perfectly fine, but I want to hear the feedback in my microphone. Then I can kind of hear more of what's going on around me while being fully immersed in the game, which is good for me. Not for everyone, but definitely cool. ASMR, I don't know. Let me know how ASMR that is. Speaking of, I do have an ASMR channel now. The link's below and on my channel, but I'm still working on it, so working out all the kinks, but definitely let me know how that goes. But on initial thoughts, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. These are freaking cool. I'll probably test them out once I plug them in and like show you the RGB and stuff in like a later like video. But as far as unboxing goes and initial thoughts, 10 out of 10. Definitely a meow factor, that's for sure. Okay, well thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you all next time. Bye!